Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Sport 30 TFSI. It comes finished in the stunning Myth Black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the car's done 34,498 miles. To the side of the car's profile you have the 16-inch alloy wheels with the 10-spoke turbine design making a bold statement on the road. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the comfortable cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and manual climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery with manual seating adjustments. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones and a wide selection of your favourite FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volumes of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from a variety of FM radio stations to sing along to, and telephone to stay in touch with loved ones on those long journeys. Below you have the manual climate control so both driver and passenger can choose a preferred setting. Stay connected on the go with 12 volt and 2 USB charging points, with the volume button, finished off with the 6 manual gearbox. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.